The equation is 2 to power 2x power x equals to 32x squared. Just observe that this constant can cancel out this. So this 2 here, 1, 2 here, 16. So x to the power x will be equals to x 16 x squared. Remember, there's no way you can cancel out x, so leave it the way it is. So to go further again, let us try to bring all the variables in one side. You can achieve that by dividing everything by x squared by x squared. This and this will go. So what we have now will be x to the power x over x squared equals to the constant along 16. So you can rearrange this. What we get, because this is dividing this and they have common base, so you can say that x to the power of x minus 2, which will be equals to 16. Observe that the base here is x and this and the power is minus this, so you try and break this one to something that have a base, which will be 4 squared, which will be equals to x to the power x minus 2. You observe the left hand side, the base is x and the power is like the base subtracting 2. So what do you do now to make this one have the base is 4 and try to make 4 to be the power and that 4 subtracting 2 so that you don't change anything. Look at how it should be done. This one now will be 4 to the power of 4, so we achieve it, and 4 minus 2 is still 2. So this one is just like 4 squared, so x to the power of x minus 2. So we are putting what we wanted. That means x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. That's the answer. And if you choose to equate the powers now, you still have x minus 2 equals to 4 minus equals to 4 minus 2. Minus and minus will go. So x will be equals to 4. And that is the final answer. Thank you for being here. Bye bye.